Hey guys, welcome back. And if any of you guys are new, I would love it if you would subscribe and stick around for another clean with me. So in today's video, I have a lot of tidying up to do. I just dropped off my son. It's his second day of kindergarten and I'm home alone. So I figured I would go throughout the house and tidy up a bit. First, I'll be starting out in the master bathroom. I'm just putting things back into their place and cleaning off the surfaces of the bathroom. And then I'm moving on to my bedroom and get my bed made. And also today I have to purge the refrigerator. It is a true mess. So I have to get that together and throw out things that are outdated. And I normally don't let my refrigerator get in such a mess like this, but I have been doing so many things and I've been so busy that I haven't had a chance to keep up with it. I don't want your persona. I just want to be real with you tonight. Can I have you alone now? I just want to reveal what's on my mind. You tell me that you're used to no feelings, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, you'll be awakened. 'Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working. This is my Build-A-Bear puppy that my husband bought me because I want a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. And I'm having trouble locating one, so he bought me this little puppy in place of a real one.
As you guys can see, time really flies. My son is home from school already, and he is running around with his undies on, so excuse him, please.
I thought you didn't wanna hang with me, just not your kind of thing. You'd rather sit under your favorite tree. That's how it seemed to me, but I dared you and I dared to lose, just so I could be with you. And you hurt me and you followed through. Now all my dreams are coming true. I just wanna put my heels on tight, dance with you all night, move to my favorite song, go a little crazy to the beat. Hear you talk so sweet, my heart just sings along. Baby, I don't want this night to end. No, I can't pretend, I can't control myself. I just wanna be with you forever. I can't believe it, no, it can't get any better now. Can't get any better now. Pretty please, tell me that you think of me and that you're missing me. Baby, you found my heart and set me free. In every fantasy, now I'm ready, 'cause I know it's true. When I look in your eyes of blue, that you want me and I want you too. Yeah, all my dreams are coming true. I just wanna put my heels on tight, dance with you all night, move to my favorite song, go a little crazy to the beat. Hear you talk so sweet, my heart just sings along. Baby, I don't want this night to end. No, I can't pretend, I can't control myself. I just wanna be with you forever. I can't believe it, no, it can't get any better now. Can't get any better now. I just wanna put my heels so tight, dance with you all night, move to my favorite song, go a little crazy to the beat. Hear you talk so sweet, my heart just sings along. Baby, I don't want this night to end. No, I can't pretend, I can't control myself. I just wanna be with you forever. I can't believe it, no, it can't get any better now. I just wanna put my heels on tight, dance with you all night, move to my favorite song, go a little crazy to the beat. Hear you talk so sweet, my heart just nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. Thought you would see me crying. Would you? No, don't have to clarify my worth. I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. I looked the face smiling back at you. Here's why you always wanna be around her.
I'm so glad that my refrigerator is back the way it's supposed to be. We have 3 different types of milk in the refrigerator. I love my almond milk. My husband, he likes the lactose-free milk, and he definitely needs that because he will run you out of the room if he doesn't have his lactose-free milk. And my older son, he has the whole milk. So we all have 3 different types of milk in the fridge. The other day, my son, he decided he wanted to freeze one of his trucks.
Stuck in between, life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, no. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do.
To freshen up our garbage disposal, I like to use a lemon, and this lemon here is already starting to rot, so I figured I would use this one. What I do is I cut it in half and remove the seeds and place it into the garbage disposal.
This is what
going to end this video here, guys. I want to thank you guys for coming to visit me today. And for those of you that stuck around to the end, I want to thank you as well. I really appreciate that. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.